Hey y'all. Woo! Today I am having a Nikocado avocado inspired mukbang. He's been raving about the Burger King breakfast in several videos recently, so I just got a wild hair and got up early this morning to eat some Burger King breakfast. I have the sausage, egg, and cheese croissantwiches. Oh, which seem to be a favorite of his. Oh yeah, there's cheese. There's a lot of cheese. Mmm. That's not very big, is it? And I got lots of hash browns. Here's my second sausage, egg, and cheese croissantwich. Ooh. Yes. Yes, yes, yes. And I got a biscuit because I like biscuits too. So I want to give their biscuit a taste. But yeah. Sausage, egg, and cheese biscuit. And I got the little French toast sticks over here. And one of their little breakfast burritos. Of course, this has the sausage in it too. Pretty sure. If it don't, okay. And I have a coffee. They didn't send me any cream and sugar, but whatever. I can drink it black. Black coffee. There we go. Oh, she's hot too. Oh, it smells good. Mmm. I got a hole in my lip. Mmm. Oh, hot coffee. Mmm. And over here I have their vanilla iced coffee. Mmm. And an orange juice, because I need my vitamin C. Pause. Okay. Vanilla iced coffee. Mm. Ooh, that's really good. All right, I want the croissantwich first. Oh, it's so soft. Mmm. Mmm. Ooh-wee. Mmm. Mmm. It's so soft. Mmm. I just love sausage. I'm a sausage girl. Mmm. Mmm. I see why Nick keeps going for these. That is tasty, tasty. And the little hash browns. Mmm. 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 Oh yes. Okay. Let's check out the orange juice. Simply orange. Just stick that over there somewhere. Yum. Mm. Mm. Mm-hmm. Mm-hmm. I'm gonna open a little ketchup. Mm. 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 Mm-hmm. Mm-hmm. Mm. 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 It's got sausage, as far as I can tell. Mm. Egg, cheese, a hash brown, or some hash browns, and there's spice in there. Mmm, that's good. Mmm. Mm. 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 What? Mm. Mm-hmm. Ooh. Mm. Let's try a French toast stick. Nick said they were a lot better than Sonic, so I'm gonna take his word for it. Mmm. 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 Good. Mmm. 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 Yeah, it's been a long time since I've had a fast food breakfast. Mmm. Mm. I've had the IHOP and the Denny's. Mm. Mm. Another kind of local place. Oh, coffee, coffee. Oh, that's a nice soft biscuit. Mmm. 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 Oh, their biscuit's really good too. Nice and buttery. Oh. Mm. Mm. Mm, man. Mm. Mm. Mm-hmm. Mm. Mm. That was just as good as I expected it to be. A little dip in the syrup. Ah. Mm. 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 Why won't you close? Okay. That took way too long. That was like kind of annoying. Mm. 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 Mm-hmm. Mm. Mm. I remember the first time I had a breakfast burrito. Mm. On a little trip to Houston to visit a friend. And she was staying with some people in a fancy neighborhood. They had the jacuzzi. We were having, what they call it, mimosas with breakfast. But, you know, in Houston, they do all the Tex-Mex stuff. So I had a breakfast burrito with the mimosa. Not in the jacuzzi, but we did the jacuzzi like the night before breakfast. Mm. 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 Mm-hmm. Oh man. Mm. You know what kind of sauce that is? It's like I almost need to know. It's got a little bit of, it's got a kick. Mm. Mm. I don't drink coffee nearly often enough. I love me some coffee. Mm. Mm. Oh yeah, that little burrito was a little bit spicy. Mm-hmm. Mm-hmm. Mm. 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 Mm-hmm. Mm. 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 And their French toast sticks are good. It's not like my favorite thing, but it's good though. Ooh. Oh man. Their biscuit. Wow. I almost like that more than the Croissan'wich. Cause it's like really soft biscuit. And it's really buttery. There's a swish. Granted, it's a much different texture than the croissant. Oh man. I ordered too much food. I did. Because I'm getting full. Oh, it's really hot. And it's like I feel that warmth from the coffee, like, ooh, going all the way down. I got up way too early. I'll tell you what. Yeah, I had my alarm set for 8. And I wake up like just a few minutes after 7. And I'm like, oh man. And, you know, you wake up, you gotta go to the bathroom. Oh, excuse me. Ooh. Yeah, you wake up, you have to go to the bathroom, so you can't go back to sleep. If you got less than an hour, it's like you can't even. So I went ahead, got up, got showered. Then I realized that DoorDash had canceled my order, so I had to order again. I was going to be eating at like 9:40, but here it is, not even 9 o'clock yet. So the app didn't give me an option to change the time, so I was like, all right, let's do this. I will be napping later. Got a beep going. Definitely morning time. The burrito alone would have been a meal for one person. I mean, it wasn't a very big burrito, but calorically, probably quite enough. Mm. 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 I'm glad I gave the biscuit a chance. Mm. 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 Oh my God. Mm. Mm. Put the biscuit in there. Mm-hmm. Good. Mm-hmm. Mm. Mm-hmm. Oh, y'all know I gotta save this for later. Can't do. Mm. 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 We're gonna stop at enough food for 3 people instead of going all the way for 4 and 5. Mm. 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 Mm-hmm. Okay. Burger King breakfast. Oh, jeez. Oh, that was so good. That was definitely good. Y'all know when it comes to food, it doesn't take much for me to be inspired. But I know I've seen Nick do the Burger King breakfast probably 3 times in the last month. Probably. Mm. I was like, you know, I have to get me one of them Croissan'wiches. And I'm glad I did. Mm. Ooh. But I love you guys very much. And I thank you for joining me. Ooh, I hope you had fun. I did too. And y'all have a wonderful day. And I will see you next time. Bye now.